shake table for the Earthquake Resistant Building Design Challenge, you will need a shake table base, masking tape. You will be receiving foam tape, but masking tape works as well. A motor with an adapter pin and wires attached, a perpendicular block, a AA battery holder, a AA battery, a washer, 4 small rubber bands, a shake table top, and 4 zip ties. First, we recommend you building your shake table's top. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to get your shake table top and you're going to push these 2 rectangular pieces. They'll already be pre-cut for you down like this so that they fold. Then you're going to take your motor and you're going to put it in between the 2 pieces, making sure that the 2 wires are able to get free. So this works. You will have a piece of foam tape that you will be able to put to the bottom to secure it here, but I'm using masking tape. If you are also using masking tape, what you're going to want to do, and maybe if you even just have a piece of foam tape, is get the masking tape and tape the motor into place. After you've taped your motor in place, you're going to want to take your perpendicular block and slip it onto the adapter pin attached to the motor. After you've done that, you're going to take your washer and attach it to the perpendicular block. Now you will have another piece of foam tape that if you're using tape like I am, you're just going to want to get masking tape and get it on there, because this piece is going to be spinning very fast, and that's what's going to generate the vibration and motion for your shake table. Be sure as you're taping it on to not tape the perpendicular block to the motor, because this part will need to spin freely. The next step, we recommend building the bottom of your base. Bottom of your base will come with pre-cut cardboard. They'll look like this. You should put the filled-in big side down on the table, and then you're going to want to fold up the 2 smaller ends like this. Get this out of the way so y'all can see. And then you're going to want to take the ones on the front and fold them forward and inside and down. You'll be able to see it really well when I do this side. Inside and down, just like that. And there's little slots in the bottom of the box where they'll slide into place. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring the top part down. These 2 ridges will fit into here, and they're just going to slide in there nice and easy. And then these 2 little parts on the boxes are going to slide into these 2 slots right here and here. And then you're going to want this piece to go in right there. Now that we've built our base and our top, we're going to connect our top to the base of our shake table. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to punch out all the holes on your table top and on your shake table base, including these 2 rectangle holes on the edge. After you've done that, you're going to want to take the tabletop and all of the little rubber bands around and through the little holes. After you've put all the rubber bands in place, you're going to want to take your shake table top and point it so that the wires are facing the 2 rectangular holes. Then you're going to want to feed the wires through the rectangle holes so that they go under inside of the box and back out and poking out at the top. After you've put your wires through the rectangle holes, you're going to want to start getting your zip ties. You're going to want to put them through your little rubber bands and then poke them through the holes at the top. Make sure when you do this part that the rough edge is facing the inside to ensure that you get that nice firm hold from the zip tie. Be sure to leave them loose until all 4 of your zip ties have been clicked and started to lock into place. Tightened all 4 of your zip ties, you can either fold them or tape them out of the way, or you can cut them. I'm going to elect to cut them short so it's easier for y'all to see the shake table. After you've gotten your zip tie ends out of the way, you can take the little alligator clips sticking out from your rectangular holes and attach them to the battery holder. When you're ready for your students to test their building on the shake table, you can turn on the shake table either by putting the battery into the battery holder or leaving the battery inside and clipping and unclipping the alligator clip.